Delete negative people. Forget you past.
Accept your mistake.
And restart your life. I am not beautiful.
I am not perfect.
I am not intelligent. That's maybe truth, but I am not fake.
Sometimes you distance yourself not because you hate people,
But because they killed a part of you and acted like nothing happened. Comment real if this hits you.
never forget to people in this world.
Number 1.
The person who lost everything just to make you win.
Number 2.
The person who was with you in every pain.